luxury lifestyle of Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman, the iconic voice and venerable actor, has captivated audiences for decades with his performances in films such as The Shawshank Redemption, Driving Miss Daisy, and Bruce Almighty. However, beyond his legendary acting career, Freeman leads a lifestyle that embodies luxury, elegance, and refined taste. Real estate and properties. The Mississippi Ranch. One of the cornerstones of Morgan Freeman's luxurious lifestyle is his expansive ranch in Charleston, Mississippi. This property, which spans approximately 124 acres, is more than just a home. It's a sanctuary. The ranch reflects Freeman's deep connection to nature and his desire for privacy and tranquility. New York City apartment. In stark contrast to his rural Mississippi retreat, Morgan Freeman also maintains a luxurious apartment in New York City. Located in one of Manhattan's most prestigious buildings, this apartment offers panoramic views of Central Park and the city skyline. The modern, sophisticated design of the apartment reflects Freeman's taste for high-end urban living. Additional properties. Beyond his primary residences, Morgan Freeman owns several other properties across the United States. These include a home in Los Angeles, which he uses when filming in Hollywood, and a vacation property in the Caribbean. The aircraft collection. Freeman's collection of aircraft is a testament to his love for flying. He owns several planes, including a Cessna 414, a Cessna Citation 501, and an Emivest SCH-30. These aircraft are not only symbols of his wealth, but also reflect his commitment to mastering the art of flight. The Cessna 414 is a twin-engine light aircraft, known for its reliability and performance. The Cessna Citation 501 is a business jet that offers both speed and comfort, making it ideal for Freeman's frequent travels. The Emivest SCH-30, however, is the crown jewel of his collection. This high-performance light jet boasts impressive range and speed, allowing Freeman to travel long distances with ease. Leisure and recreation. Morgan Freeman's luxurious lifestyle is also characterized by his leisure and recreational activities. From golfing at exclusive courses to relaxing on private yachts, Freeman enjoys a range of pursuits that allow him to unwind and indulge in life's pleasures. Golf. Golf is one of Freeman's favorite pastimes. He is often seen playing at some of the world's most prestigious golf courses, enjoying the challenge and serenity that the sport offers. Freeman's passion for golf is reflected in his membership at exclusive golf clubs, where he can indulge in his love for the game in a luxurious setting. Yachting. Freeman also enjoys spending time on the water, often chartering private yachts for vacations and relaxation. Yachting provides Freeman with a sense of freedom and adventure, allowing him to explore beautiful destinations while enjoying the comforts of a luxury vessel. Personal style and luxury items. Morgan Freeman's luxurious lifestyle is also reflected in his personal style and collection of luxury items. His impeccable sense of fashion, love for fine timepieces, and appreciation for high-end automobiles all contribute to his sophisticated image. Fashion. Freeman's fashion sense is characterized by classic elegance and understated sophistication. He is often seen in tailored suits, crisp shirts, and polished shoes, embodying a timeless style that never goes out of fashion. Whether attending red carpet events or casual outings, Freeman's attire always exudes refinement and class. Automobiles. Freeman's love for luxury extends to his collection of automobiles. He owns several high-end vehicles, each representing the pinnacle of automotive design and engineering. His collection includes cars from brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Tesla. One of the highlights of Freeman's collection is his Tesla Model SEA, an electric car that combines cutting-edge technology with eco-friendly performance. Morgan Freeman's luxurious lifestyle is a reflection of his success, taste, and values. As Freeman continues to captivate audiences with his talent and charisma, his luxurious lifestyle remains an integral part of his enduring legacy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.